Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TSLA, Tesla. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. And going into next week, the price is sitting at a very, very important level. And I want to just start off kind of in the nearer term, and then I'll show more so the overarching term of things too. But that's right here around basically $211.50, give or take, 25 cents or so. I mean, we are talking about a $200 stock here. But why is this level important? Well, first off, I don't want to come across like this is some sort of great discovery on my part where nobody else has seen it and this is all some sort of special skill I have. Actually, quite the opposite. I assure you that people that understand charts properly have and use charts have taken notice of this level and are wondering the same things. And I bring all that up because when a lot of people are watching the same areas and wondering the same things, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can produce some very dynamic price movements. And that's what we have here with 211.50. I mean, you go back through the history of things, and you can see there is, quite a bit of a track record there of acting as support. And then you fast forward to, on Friday, and as of now, so far so good. The price is holding above that area. But also you have then the final 30 minutes where you had this surge in volume, and you have the price. It's still sitting at that area, but now it becomes a very, very valid question of, is this area about to fail? And the reason why this level is important, like I said, so you can see where it's coming from in the near term. But now if I scrunch things up like this and we go back through the history of things, you can see there's also quite a bit of congestion with that area back there, from a couple months ago. So point being, a lot of people are going to be watching this area and wondering, is this 211.50 mark going to hold up? If it does not, then while there's no such thing as a guarantee, but it would not exactly be shocking at all to see the price go down to at least 207.50, if not even lower, if this 211.50 area does not quite hold up. And if 207.50 doesn't hold up, then at that point, it could very well head down to the $200 mark, potentially even lower. But I don't want to get too far ahead of ourselves because as of right now, 211.50 is holding up. But that's definitely a key level of support that a whole lot of people are going to be watching, including the shorts. So we'll see if the price can maintain above it or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.